Recently, with the trends of investing and trading, you may have heard of the name Forex. But what is Forex? Welcome to Cilinix FX Capital. In this short educational video, I will teach you everything you need to know about what Forex is. So, we are going to talk about four things. First of all, I'll tell you what Forex is, so a simple explanation about the foreign exchange market, because Forex is actually short for the foreign exchange market. Then I'll tell you what Forex consists of. I'll tell you about Forex pairs, because the Forex market consists of Forex pairs. And then I will also tell you where you can actually start trading Forex. So first off, a short introduction. So Forex is short for the foreign exchange market, and this is quite simply the global market where people can buy and sell currencies, which is possible in pairs, where a pair is one currency against another. Because if you want to buy a currency, you have to buy it with another currency, and that makes up a pair of two currencies. You can also trade in the Forex market, and then you can make a profit when you choose correctly if one currency will get stronger or weaker against another currency, or that an exchange rate will go up or down. On this channel we provide you with educational videos for trading in the foreign exchange market. So the Forex market has the biggest volume of money traded daily of all financial markets. So it has 6.6 trillion US dollars traded within a daily, compared to the 22.4 billion daily volume of the New York Stock Exchange, which is the biggest stock exchange in the world. So where does this volume come from? You may have heard of from Forex, but maybe recently and you didn't know much about it. Well, not only traders trade in the foreign exchange market, but also institutions like banks and hedge funds also do, but most importantly, almost everyone in the world does it, at least sometimes. So an example. Say that you buy something cheap from AliExpress in China. You buy something in China, so you will have to pay it in the Chinese yuan, which is the currency there, with your dollars, euros, or another currency. So when your currency is then exchanged for another, in this example the Chinese currency, that is part of Forex. And there are countless of examples of intercountry trade where this happens, this comprising of 6.6 trillion US dollars daily, which is a lot of money. So as I said, the foreign exchange market consists of pairs of two currencies. So let us dive a little bit more into depth about these pairs with an example. The euro against the US dollar is the most traded pair, and the symbol for this one is Euro USD, which is currently at about 1.20, 1.21, which means that 1 euro is worth $1.20, and $1 is worth, you do a calculation, 1 divided by 1.2, which is the exchange rate, and that is 0.833333 euros. So $1 is worth 0.83 euros. And in every pair there are two currencies, and in a pair the first currency is the base currency, in this case the euro, and the second currency is the quote currency, in this case the US dollar. And for example, when you think the euro will get stronger compared to the US dollar, the pair or the exchange rate of euro USD will rise, because you will be able to get more dollars for 1 euro. In that case you would go long or buy this pair, meaning you buy the euro. But when you think that the opposite will happen, so that the US dollar will become stronger compared to the euro, you would go short or sell the pair. And when you short or sell the pair, you actually buy the quote currency, so in this case the US dollar, and you will profit when the exchange rate or the price goes down. So you yourself could also trade within this market, but there is one important thing you really have to know, and that is that more than 90% of traders in the foreign exchange market don't make a profit. So that is very good to know. It's tough trading. So still interested? There are a lot of good exchanges where you can trade Forex pairs, like Owanda or IC markets, and there are a lot more, but you have to be careful with what exchange you choose. But but you have to make sure that you know what it's all about. So you don't start trading right away, but make sure to do your research. So if you want to learn more, you can look at some of our other videos, or you can search for countless pieces of information found on the internet. You might have just heard of Forex, but Forex is actually quite old, and there is a lot of information on it, like babypips.com. Um, so I'd say if you are interested, just get started with the orientation, and hopefully you will find some more education on this channel, and then you can at least make an educated choice on whether you are interested in trading in the foreign exchange market or not.